Temperatures do get cooler. It's that time of year again where we're changing the clocks. Most of the country will get an extra hour of sleep this weekend when we fall back an hour at 2 a.m. Sunday. However, that time change also means it'll start to get dark earlier. So it's a good time to make sure your smoke alarms are in working condition. This morning, the American Red Cross and Chatham Emergency Services partnered to host a smoke alarm blitz in a Savannah neighborhood. WSAV's Nakaya Harris was there to walk along with them on their journey to save lives one fire alarm at a time. She has the story.
It all starts with a knock at the door and a greeting followed by an offer to install a device that can save lives.
We're doing smoke alarms. We go to each house. We've got 5 teams. Each team has 2 volunteers and 2 firefighters, and we go into the home and we can put up to 4 smoke alarms in each home, in bedrooms and hallway.
The season of space heaters and cooking for the holidays is approaching quickly, which are common ways of sparking a fire inside. So it's about time to recheck those alarms.
In fact, we just went into one house and tested their alarm and it didn't work. So we showed him that it didn't work and he was grateful that we came in and put in active alarms. Our alarms are 10-year battery.
Chatham EMS installed multiple alarms in minutes. By the end of their shift, 51 alarms were installed, serving 71 people in the neighborhood. This particular group installed 28 smoke alarms. Foley tells me the American Red Cross, along with Chatham EMS, are saving lives.
We've had people call us and tell us that the only thing that woke them up when their house caught on fire was a smoke alarm that we put in and it saved their life. That's why we do it.
Reporting in Savannah, Nakaya Harris, WSAV News 3, on your side.